Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel, exploring smart solution bathroom design ideas for transforming compact spaces. Offers creative solutions to make the most of limited square footage. Small bathrooms can be both functional and stylish with the right approach. One of the key trends is the use of wall-mounted and floating fixtures such as sinks and vanities. These space-saving elements create an open, uncultured look, making them bathroom feel more spacious. Clever storage solutions are essential in small bathrooms, incorporating built-in shelves, recessed niches, and over-the-toilet storage units help keep toiletries and towels organized without scratching floor space. Opening for light, neutral colors in small bathrooms contributes to a sense of fairness and brightness. Pastel shades, whites, and soft grays create an open and inviting atmosphere, while mirrors can be strategically placed to reflect light and expand the visual space. Glass shower enclosures or open style showers without doors can make the bathroom feel more open, enhancing the perception of space. Maximizing the vertical space with table, cabinets, and shelving units is a practical choice. These additions provide ample storage for linens and cleaning supplies without encroaching on floor space. Toilet placement can be optimized by using corner toilets or wall-mounted options. These arrangements option up floor space and creates a more open feel in the bathroom. Incorporating energy-efficient fixtures such as low-flow toilets and LED lighting not only helps save resources but also contributes to a modern and eco-friendly bathroom design. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.